Creating a zero-based budget with EveryDollar is a straightforward process that helps you manage your finances effectively. To start, understand that zero-based budgeting means every dollar you earn is assigned to a specific category, ensuring you account for all your income. First, gather your financial information, including your income, fixed expenses, and savings goals. Log into your EveryDollar account and set up your income by clicking on the Add Income button and entering the amount you earn each month. Next, identify your necessary expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and assign a portion of your income to each category. Allocate funds to your savings goals, including emergency funds and retirement savings. Then, budget for discretionary spending, such as entertainment and hobbies. Be sure to prioritize your needs over your wants and make adjustments as needed to ensure every dollar is accounted for. A key concept in zero-based budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. To illustrate this, suppose you earn $4,000 per month. You would allocate $2,000 towards necessary expenses, $1,200 towards discretionary spending, and $800 towards savings and debt repayment. Best practices for zero-based budgeting include regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, avoiding impulse purchases, and using the envelope system to categorize your expenses. By following these steps and tips, you can create a zero-based budget with EveryDollar that helps you achieve financial stability and reach your long-term goals. Remember to stay disciplined, patient, and flexible, and you will be on your way to managing your finances effectively.